so this is kind of like a two-story situation here.
Oh, yeah,
AirPods.
AirPods Pro with USB-C charge case to launch later this year. This is part of Ming Chi's recent rumor list.
Yeah.
Second generation AirPods Pro with USB-C charge case later this year with mass shipments expected to begin. Well, they obviously saw our friend over there. Remind me the name of our pal over there?
Oh,
he has a really cool name, Exploring the Simulation.
Wow. You is that the name?
I think that's the name.
Okay.
Of the channel.
Okay.
And he's putting, well, he sent it to us, Will.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
I was thinking of his real name.
Oh.
But
well, I'm trying to shout out his channel right now because he sent us this like world's first. No, it's not up yet. Oh, you're looking up his channel. He sent us this like world's first USB-C charging set of AirPods.
What's
he
it
just
called again?
did it himself.
The
Simulation. I think so. Yeah, there you go. Wow, I'm actually surprised I remember that too. But anyway, so he's a really cool channel. You're doing all this. You may have seen him swap out lightning ports on phones for Type-C in the past because that's his most popular video. Oh, actually, it isn't. AirPods' dirty secret and how I'm fighting it. So actually, the AirPods stuff did a little bit better even than the initial iPhone stuff. But the point is, he has these very cool videos where he essentially mods these products himself and edits it in a fun way and all the rest of it. And he sent it to us, so I got a chance to play with it and actually film a video with it, and I'll be showing it to you guys, the finished product, soon. But the point is, it's like, yes, USB-C. Like, let's get over it now. It's over. Like lightning, it's over. We're moving on, right?
Right.
Well,
apparently the regular AirPods 3 won't have Type-C.
Okay, because they're not going to update it right now, but it will eventually.
Eventually, yeah.
Yeah. So
but if someone wants to upgrade their AirPods to the third generation, they might not get Type-C, according to this report here.
Yeah, not at the moment. Because they're not going to refresh it in the meantime. The Pro is going to get the refresh with the Type-C case, and then the next generation of regular ones will probably get Type-C, and then eventually Lightning's just gone. New phones with Type-C, iPads already got Type-C. You can charge the laptops over Type-C. Oh my goodness, a universal future. Well, you never thought you'd see the day. No more proprietary connectors for Apple? You didn't think you'd see the day. I mean, you still have MagSafe, but you don't need to use it. You didn't think you'd see the day.
Well, they still have the MFA.
Made for Apple or made for iPhone? Yeah, okay. So that's
MFI,
well, that's sure. Yeah, you're right. That's right. They're going to be a little bit nitpicky about that, no doubt, and a little bit annoying about it. But hey, Will, they're protecting your devices at the end of the day. So you can't hurt anything.
Yeah.